The Multiguard. The gate is fixed. If it locks, it's in 4 different places. You've got your top track where it runs into, and then of course your bottom track that is secured as well. You've got your back side that is secured with your lock keep. You've got your lock post that is secured with screws. So once this gate closes, it is really strong. If you install this, the only thing you have to start off with is make sure that your top track is on. You will put that to the one side. You will screw your top track on first. What we do is we do give you the last one bearing as well, so it will give you already your correct height. You have your T bottom track that's got a little nylon plastic on the bottom that runs over the T like that, and that slides on the bottom to make it more secure. So once your track is installed, you will put a screw in every hole. There's 4 holes. There's one fixing hole on the bottom, one about 1/4 up, then on 3/4 up, and on the top. We will put a caster on the lock keep as well, so that you just need to push it back, and you will have some screws to attach the keep part of it inside your reveal as well. So you will put your top track on first, then you can slide your bottom track in, screw your back part, then you will see where it's going to run to the front, get plumb on your bottom track to your top track, and then you just screw the lock keep on itself. So if you want to, it's sometimes easier just putting a laser level, or at least get a certain point, a distance that you can measure from both sides to see that that is correct. That is correct. Put it on, and then the rest will just slide in, and you can just screw on both sides. It needs to be a good fit. You do have play of about 15 mil. That is actually a loose floater that just floats inside, and it goes up to about 35-40 mil in. That's why we say up to 20, because otherwise it starts clipping out. This product can only be Sill fixed. It can't be hinged out of your way because it runs on the top track system. The top track screws straight up. You can't face fix the top track unless you put it on an angle to screw every one of them. You can't just have small brackets. Small brackets will not carry the weight of the panel itself because it's steel. It's designed not to lock in the center like a normal lock, but it have the slam on the top and on the bottom that locks into your slots that is cut there, and then of course the slot on the bottom. That locating pin stops them from lifting up and down once it goes into the hole on the opposite side. You do not need a key for it to lock. If it's an emergency and you quickly need to get out of the way, that somebody is attacking you, all you do is you just slam it and it's locked. You can open the lock from both sides. The cylinder is straight through.